Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. Everyone knows how bad our desert soils are. They're basically sand, rocks, and clay. In order to get things to grow here, we need to amend or even replace the soil. Adding organic matter to the soil is a must for healthy root development for most plants. The decomposed organic matter is what holds the moisture for root hairs to cling to and absorb water and nutrients. It also attracts and feeds soil microorganisms that break down minerals to a form that plants can use. Dr. Q's Pay Dirt Premium Planting Mix and Mulch is one of the very best soil amendments you can buy. Mix it with garden soil or desert dirt and get your new plants off to a great start. Pay Dirt is specifically formulated to see plants through the difficult transition to poor soils and build a foundation for healthy growth. It is a superior blend of aged forest humus, composted fir bark, and peat moss. It is 100% organic and safe for all plantings, including fruits and vegetables. It helps neutralize alkaline soils with its pH of 6.0 to 6.5 and gets plants off to a great start. Pay Dirt is a great soil amendment, but it is not a soil replacement. If you want something to completely fill a container to plant in, use our Filthy Rich potting soil. It is ideal for initial potting, repotting, or transplanting indoor or outdoor container plants. Dr. Q's Filthy Rich all-natural organic potting soil is specially formulated to grow and maintain all kinds of plants. And our Filthy Rich Gold potting soil is the exact same formula with our Gold Dust starter fertilizer added in to feed your plants for the first 6 months. Two other great soil amendments in our Dr. Q's line are Soil Sulfur and Iron Worker. Soil sulfur is a very effective natural mineral that lowers pH of alkaline soils and unlocks nutrients for plants. Soil sulfur is used to correct alkaline soils commonly found in southwest deserts. The other amendment is Dr. Q's Iron Worker that is 19% sulfur and 33% iron. Iron Worker is recommended as a supplement to improve growth and help plants overcome yellow leaves. Also helpful to citrus, gardenias, azaleas, and other plants sensitive to high alkaline contents. For more information on soil amendments, see free copies of our Star Notes number 001 and 620 at any of our store locations or at starnursery.com. And don't forget, I make house calls. Call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.